Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the Intel SST microphone not working. Specifically, the device cannot start code 10. The driver was not loaded because it failed to initialize call. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to go about opening up the search menu. Type in troubleshoot. Best match to come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select other troubleshooters on the right side. And then underneath other, scroll down to where it says recording audio and select the run button. And if it's able to detect the issue, hopefully it would be able to resolve it as well. Now you want to open up the search menu again, type in device manager. Go ahead under that and open it up. Expand the sound, video, and game controller section, and then double click on the audio device listed in here. Select the driver tab, and then select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers, and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then select next. Select yes, and then close out of here. And you should go ahead and actually restart your computer at this point. So I'm going to select yes to restart. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.